Morning, guys. It is July 16th, 2026. It's a little odd thing that happened to me back last Saturday, which was July 11th. Um, I got this call from this guy. Um, about 6, 7 years ago, I guess this guy was down south, and he had an HVAC company, and he did a GoFundMe for some kind of stomach surgery he was gonna do, and I'm not gonna mention any names, but he ended up getting a GoFundMe account for like $6,500, and then he ended up, taking that $6,500 and buying his wife a car with it. And we all, were on the guy about it, and eventually, I guess he did get the stomach surgery 4 or 5 years later, or whatever, and I haven't really heard from the guy at all for like 5 years. Well, he called me the other day on a Saturday, giving me this flippin' sad story about everybody's dying. His father's dying, his mother died, and his sister just died, and basically begging me for money. Right off of the bat. I haven't heard from this guy for 6, 7 years. He wants $180 because he's going to get a new job and they're going to kick him out of his house and this and that and on and on and on. I thought seemed a little weird. I don't even know this guy. He's calling me, begging me for flipping money, right? So, he almost got me, and I said, I don't feel comfortable. He wants me to go to Walmart and send him $180 at Walmart. What are you talking about? Am I going to do? Do I got Vismo or all this other crazy shit? Seemed kind of like a flipping scam. I'm not going to mention his name, but he's down south. And so I make a couple of phone calls after I got off the phone with him. I hung up the phone with this guy. I didn't give him any money, send him any money. Make a couple of phone calls with people that know him, and come to find out, I guess his sister ended up dying, but she ended up dying from smoking meth, whatever that is. She ended up dying from doing that shit. And come to find out, from what messages from his wife that I seen someone send them to me, he was doing it also. So come to find out, supposedly he's on this stuff, and maybe that's why he's not in business anymore. But anyway, somebody said that's why his teeth are all turning black and rotting away, because he's on this drugs. But anyway, it's kind of disturbing. It kind of pissed me off that he's calling me, trying a sad story to make me feel bad for him, and trying to get money out of me. So I just want to give a little heads up for any of you guys in the HVAC business. You get this rogue flipping idiot trying to beg money off you. Watch out, because obviously he's up to no good here. Hopefully he can get his life straightened out and get off this shit, because it's not healthy. It's kind of been bothering me all week. I don't agree with drugs. I don't think anybody should be doing drugs, and you shouldn't definitely be begging people for it. And I guess he did a video of it recently, and you could see on the video his teeth are all turning black. That's what they call meth mouth, unfortunately. And somebody sent me some emails that the wife had sent him about he was involved with the shit and smoking the shit with his sister. And I'm not going to mention any names, but he's one of the HVAC guys that was down south. I don't want him calling me. I blocked his number. Calling me, trying to make me feel sorry for him and begging me for flipping money. What the nerve of that son of a bitch? Can you imagine the nerve? Calling me and begging me for flipping money because some people had died. Well, yeah, your sister died because you're smoking meth. You idiot. Unbelievable. Yeah, so it's very, very disturbing that somebody would even think about doing that, calling me, begging me, trying to make me feel bad for them. Kind of pissed me off, be honest with you, the more I think about it.